All right, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the third and final fragrance that I didn't own in that little 4 sample pack of English Laundry fragrances that I got recently. It's this English Laundry's Noir Castle. Now this one smells exactly like another fragrance that I own, so I am very confident in telling you what I think they're cloning with this one. Before we get into the fragrance, as always, guys, you know the drill. If it's your first time here, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the bell. All right, so let's go over the presentation. Briefly, I'm going to go over the notes, and I'm going to tell you exactly what this one is cloning. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, but I think I nailed it on this one. So as far as presentation goes, presentation. There I go, getting in front of my brain again. We got a white to black gradient bottle, like a flat white, frosted white to black gradient. You do have this little plaque with the silver English Laundry Noir Castle writing. Nothing on the side, nothing on the back. Nothing on the other side, and you do have a sticker. I think I'm not holding this upside down, I can't really tell, but it is an EDP concentration. If it wants to focus, you can pause it if that matters so much to you. Cap itself is all shiny black. You do have the English Laundry by Christopher Wicks on there if you want to pause it, if you give a damn. And you get a nice little groove in this little collar or whatnot, all black, nothing on it, that gives you what I'm a sucker for, this fantastic cap click. Oh, man, let's hear that again. I don't know why I'm such a sucker for that. Now, distribution on the sprayer is nothing to write home about. Kind of a misty cloud. Typical for English Laundry, but not bad. Okay, so I will put the notes up on the screen here. Let's go over them together real quick. In the top, we've got green apple and grapefruit. In the mid, geranium and jasmine. And then in the base, cedar and sandalwood. Now, the notes are a little less busy than what this is cloning. I think the original clone, the original fragrance that they are cloning has quite a bit more notes, but this one, in my opinion, was a toss-up between Azzaro Wanted and Spice Bomb Night Vision EDT. And this one, I believe, is a clone of Victor and Rolf's Spice Bomb Night Vision EDT. Now, I don't have the bottle. When I was comparing these side to side the other day, I had the bottle, and I don't know what I did with it. I was going to have the bottle here in the video, but I cannot find it. I'll put it up on the screen here just so you can kind of see it and refresh your memory on what that bottle looks like in case you don't own it. Now, this one is very nice, bright green apple, very spicy fragrance. But yeah, I don't want to talk too much about the fragrance itself because you guys have probably already smelled it. I just want to be more of a informational video to say, if you see this one out there and you want to grab it, it's a really good way to get an affordable Spice Bomb Night Vision EDT. And they did a good job. I think this is like, I think it's safe to say 90%. They nailed it. I think even maybe 92 to 95% accuracy if you want to be generous. It's really good. Off my skin, it's not much different. Now, performance-wise, Night Vision EDT has never been a strong performer for me. I think I'm getting 5 hours out of that, 5 to 6 if I'm lucky. This one I've been getting like 4 to maybe 5 hours if I'm being generous, which is kind of frustrating. Now, I will say, do not buy this online. Like any English Laundry fragrance, if you go online, you're going to find this for around $100. Do not buy this for $100. I love English Laundry, but that's not where they shine. These are cheapy gems. I would love to find these newer English Laundry releases kind of unboxed out and about at the rack stores for like $12.99 or $14.99 or whatever, like I used to find them. I haven't seen these newer releases like that, though. But I have seen the newer releases at, I think it was Nordstrom Rack, a couple times. This one and one of the others I talked about, where they had the small bottle and the big bottle, and they were selling those for like $24.99 or $29.99. Now that, for English Laundry, I still feel like $30 is a little expensive because I'm so used to like these unpackaged $12.99 bottles that I used to find. But again, this is a good, very good clone of Night Vision, and for $30, it's a great way to capture that DNA. Maybe you already own Night Vision EDT and you want a cheaper alternative when you don't want to waste the real thing. Or maybe you like the real thing, but you don't want to spend the money. I think $25 to $30 for this. It's a solid deal. There's nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't spend much more than that. I would honestly try to find it for under $30. That's the limit I would shoot for. But again, if you like it, spend whatever you want. You're a big boy. You work for your money. Don't let me stop you. Anyways, I wanted to review this one real quick, short and sweet, because if you do see it out and you don't know what it smells like, in my opinion, this is a clone of Spice Bomb Night Vision EDT, and they did a great job. Hey man, if you liked the video, drop me a like. It matters. It lets YouTube know the video is worthwhile, the channel's worthwhile, and it lets YouTube know that you liked it. Maybe they should show it to other people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already, but you probably should. Until next time, I will leave you how I always leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym, always stay improving. That's very important. God bless. Be well. Until next time, guys, I'm out.